Now, if there's any better season to try something new, it's the summertime. Why? Because one, lighter colors and tropical patterns are more appropriate to wear during this time, so you won't be judged, at least not too hard. And two, I don't really have a number two, but really it's just a more relaxed season to loosen up and try out new things. Now, I know I'm a little bit late to making this type of video, but it's okay because I have a feeling these trends are gonna remain strong throughout the rest of the year, and they're just gonna transition well into fall as well. So let's get to it. So the first one on my list is something that I've always been a fan of, and it is the retro polo shirt. Now, there are many variations in the market right now, but polos with big, bold colors, you know, color blocking as well, are just in right now. Now, moving on to the next shirt, and I've made a separate video on this one, and it is the camp shirt. I have one on right now. Now, there are a plethora of these in the market, but I personally have been digging the striped ones, and depending on how I'm feeling, I go with something that's a bit bolder, like a floral pattern shirt. Now, there are many cool ways to style this thing, but the most popular looks right now is, you know, wearing it as a set with matching shorts, or, you know, like I am right now with a blazer and with the collar sitting over the lapel. Now, this is not really a trending item, but you know, the t-shirt and trouser combination has really been a great, you know, dressed up casual look for the spring and summer season, and I'm sure it's gonna transition into the fall as well with, you know, thicker, you know, wool trousers and blazers. Now, if you plan on trying this out, please don't use your Hanes undershirt. Use something a little bit more elevated and higher quality. I've done many video reviews on t-shirts, and one that I'm personally digging right now is from Roll of Threads. I use their curved tees because they are shaped like dress shirts at the bottom and are a bit elongated and are, you know, just perfect, you know, for using them as a tuck-in tee. This is not a sponsored video segment, I'm just suggesting them. Now, next trending piece, and I'm not all in just yet, but the short shorts are making a comeback this summer. Now, you can go as short as 5 inches if you like, but with my chicken legs, I think I'll just keep it at a 7 for now. Last but not least are pleats. Yes, pleated pants are back. I went in on this trend, but you know, also decided, you know, to try something new with the Italian style trouser, which has a higher waistband and side tabs, but these would do, you know, just fine as well. Also, make sure to link everything that I've just shown you guys in the description below. I curated, you know, a whole bunch of stuff that are just trending this season. And yeah, that's my current list of trends. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in any of the stuff I mentioned, once again, I curated a whole list of stuff in the description below for you guys to check out. Anyways, I don't know why I'm doing this, but anyways, guys, that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.